Hello everybody, Max here. Welcome back in another video. In this video I will go over the steps on how to submit a parcel on MuleBuy. So all of your ordered items have already arrived to the warehouse and now you want to submit this package. Nothing easier than that. Let me show you. Here we are now on the main MuleBuy page. All you gotta do now is to go to your profile here in the right upper corner, My Base. Now you want to head over to the warehouse tab, and this is the place all of your stored items appear. You've got photos of your stored items, you can view everything. You've got a wave of the products, you've got everything in here as well. You can check if you like this item or not. You can always just send them back if you don't like them, so it's amazing. And now what I want you to do is I want to select all of the items, and as you can see now we've got 5 pieces and 4.5 kilograms, so not bad. Let's click on Rehero's packaging. This one costs 20 yuans, but it's worth it. They will pack this item for you and they will get you the best possible price for this shipping. Let's hit on confirm. And yes, first of all, you've got to add this address. Let's add the address now. Here you need to put all of the contact information so they know where to send the package. You can also add the value added services like corner guard or waterproof or vacuum sealing, box reinforcement, whatever you want to. Let's select now the shipping line. So generally speaking, I prefer you to use the DHL, and why is this? It's because the DHL is the tariffless line. They usually deliver the items within 10 to 18 days. So it's very fast, and it's the tariffless line, so you get the full price now and you don't need to pay any taxes. Let's select this one line, this JDY, and let's hit on confirm. Let's use the coupons. Yes, we can use this coupon. As you can see, we've got $36 saved, so it's amazing. And let's click on submit. As you can see now, you can pay either with the balance or maybe with the debit card, credit card, PayPal, Skrill, Google Pay, Klarna, whatever you want to. Now once you have all done this, the parcel will be found here in the parcel tab and then it will get sent to you. The shipping on MuleBuy usually takes about 10 to 15 days using the DHL shipping company, so it's not a problem. As you can see, MuleBuy also offers a lot of shipping coupons, so you can always just save some money on shipping as well as some products. Like these products, you can use these product coupons as well. It's amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this tutorial on how to submit a package on MuleBuy. As you can see, it's so simple and self-explanatory, so you don't actually need any knowledge for that. It's so simple. Also, check out my spreadsheet where you have 540 different products, links to the MuleBuy, so yeah, you can always just look for something cool and buy something cool in here. You've got here like the price, the review of the product, so everything is available in here. As always, if you have any questions, simply ask me in the comments and I will answer you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye!